Reading this book. It's a biography of Martin Luther. And he says, even the devil is God's devil. That line shook me, but it's true. Too many Christians imagine the devil as some free agent ruling over hell, fighting God like an equal opposite, as if this is a cosmic tug of war between light and the dark side. But that's not what the Bible says. God has no rival. Satan is a created being and a fallen one at that. He's on a leash. In Job 1 we read that he had to ask permission to act. In Luke 12, Jesus tells Peter, Satan asked to sift you. Even demons tremble before Christ, begging him not to torment them. God is absolutely sovereign over heaven, earth, and yes, even hell. He doesn't merely permit evil, he overrules it for his glory and our good. You can read about that in Romans 8:28. And Satan's rebellion, well, God used it to display his justice, mercy, and triumph on the cross. Hell isn't Satan's throne, it's his sentence. So don't fear the devil like he's in charge. Fear God who reigns over all and who crushed the serpent under his feet.